Hello everyone, you are most welcome to today's special edition of International Women's Day. So happy International Women's Day to all the women watching. And if you're a man, you are not left out. Happy International Women's Day to all the women in your life, whether it be your children, whether it be your wife, your friend, your colleague, your mother, your sister. And let's go on and on. Yes. So from scientists to everyday heroes, activists, entrepreneurs, academics, YouTubers, teachers, cleaners, caregivers, we are celebrating every woman. Yes. For all that you are doing, for challenging some societal norms, for standing up for yourself, for the strength and courage and the resilience. We are celebrating you today. All those who are paving way for future generations, thank you. We also take the opportunity to celebrate the women who have dared to dream. Yes, they are dared to dream. Those who have fought for equality, those who have fought for diversity, those doing the DEI work, and those who continue to push boundaries and to pave way for equality and the development of humanity. Let me put it that way. Thank you for taking this opportunity to go down some memory lane. Yes, I'm going to share with you 3 short videos of 3 women. We are celebrating everybody. I'm just zooming into those 3 women because they're doing a great job, and I really want to highlight some of the works we women and some women are doing. And since I'm based in the Netherlands and this channel is Africans in the Netherlands, and I've also interviewed some of these women, I thought I should just give you a bit of them. Yes, perhaps you have watched some of their videos or you haven't. Yes, so the first one, I start with Mama Suzy Nyarko. So watch this short clip.
I was a bit concerned about women in some years ago, so many years ago, I think almost 20 years ago, women in the diaspora, women in Holland, Vietnam. So it's like, I was like, okay, so our life is like to go to work the whole week, in the weekend you go to church, and then Monday you start working again, and then so I was like, so praying and asking God, so what is next? Is it all that the woman is supposed to be doing? And then after work you go to your house, you prepare food, you are giving birth to children. So what again? And then in prayer, this is what I heard that God said, no, there's no one that I created on this earth that doesn't have a purpose. Everybody, I created everyone with a purpose. But the problem is that some of us are not able to discover our purpose. That is why it's like you are just running, you work, and then you have done something in Ghana and you think it's okay, but that is not it. So on praying, God told me that okay, every woman has a purpose. So that is why it is a woman of purpose. So it's a singular, but it's plural for everybody. So woman of purpose, every woman, you, me, she, everyone, all of us have a purpose. So it's no women of purpose, but it's the woman of purpose. We do a lot of activities, and mainly our goal is to empower the woman. The woman to be able to fulfill her God-given purpose. That is it. And also for here, the women in the diaspora, also for them to be able to integrate in the family, and to find their place. You see, because there are a lot of us here who are like, okay, I don't know. Well, maybe if I have to go to the TV, I don't know what to do or what to say. If I have to do this, I don't know. So it's like, though it's good, you are in somebody's land, but then you can be able to benefit that nation. and the nation can also benefit from you. You see, Esther was in a foreign land, but she became a blessing to her generation. So that is one of the most important things that we do for the women here. And also, like mainly, we also have a monthly program that we do for the young and upcoming ones in marriage. We have a monthly meeting. We talk to them about marriage, and also we pray with them. A lot of them have challenges. It's like no experience and all these things, but they are getting married. And the least thing, they are like, Nick, I don't want to move on again. But then that is one of the things that we do to encourage them, to empower them, and also to teach them. Yeah, because God said, and the thing is, it's a lasting relationship, and that is what we try to do. And also, we also have another wing that is for the pastors' wives who also come together, and then we encourage ourselves to talk to one another, because as a pastor's wife, people are talking to you, but you don't have anyone to talk to. You say, so that is one of the things that we also do. And the need in the society. Last year, for instance, we did something. I think you would have been interested if you were here. Pastor,
I missed it.
Yeah, it was like a child delinquency. You see, a lot of our children, the mothers, we came here trying to find good future for our children. But now we are seeing that a lot of our children are ending up in prisons, which is not what we wanted, and which is also not the desire of God, the purpose of God for the children. Yeah. So last year we came together, we invited professionals, and we also had some kids who maybe went on a wrong path and ended up in prison, but now when they came out, they've been able to do something better with their lives. So we invited them to come and then share it with the children.
And then this video I have not had the chance to show it to you because there was there would be copyright issues, but I'm going to show parts of it to you. Why would there be copyright issues? We were at the barbecue party, so there were a lot of, as Africans, we just have fun, so we're having fun. So there was music at the background, and to avoid having copyright issues, I couldn't post it, but I'm going to post snippets of it just to inspire somebody who is looking up to a woman. We have so many beautiful women we can look at. Yes.
My name is Dr. Evelyn Azih. Yes, I'm the president of the Nigerian National Association, the Netherlands, NNA-NL.
Yes, can you tell us a bit about NNA?
Okay, NNA-NL, that's the Nigerian National Association, the Netherlands. It's an umbrella body of all Nigerians residing in the Netherlands. Yes, the umbrella body of all associations, all unions, and all organizations in the Netherlands.
So what do you do as?
Yes, we take care of Nigerians, the welfare of Nigerians, those that are coming, help them to integrate, those that have problems, one problem or the other, we also help out. Even those that have gone back to Nigeria, we also try to help. Yes, today we have a barbecue in a way of bringing all Nigerians together. We have different associations, and the Nigerian National Association is not, it's like all the associations, they bring their representatives. Today is a very good day, and the weather is so beautiful, and we have young Nigerians who are new.
Welcome back. Yes. And to the last but not the least, yes, Marianne Dorder-Servet. She's an inspirational woman. She's doing a great job, and from where she started to where she's gotten to, I think she's someone worth celebrating. She actually really inspires me. Yes.
From Suriname, like in the year of 1999, I came to the Netherlands, and I have a son of 2 years at that moment. So very busy being also mom. My daily work is to work as an information manager at Amsterdam UMC, the hospital, and to also run the foundation I founded about black women voor technology.
Great.
That's where zwarte vrouwen voor technologie. Yes, I founded that in 2021 because I'm for almost 17 years now in tech. I told you already. I did 3 study, and I work on many places here in the Netherlands, but I don't see black women. I didn't see them now. I meet them a lot, but
Because
because
I have something
focused. Something to
women.
focus, and then they are coming at it, and that was missing. I'm seeing now, because we are very marginalized. We are not a lot. Then you don't meet each other. And I was curious why I'm not meeting other black women in tech. Where are they? That was the questions I was asking myself. And what are they doing if they are in tech? Why are we not talking about tech in the black community? Why are we talking a lot about social problems? That was, I came to the conclusions. We are talking a lot about some topics about slavery. They are important topics, but when there's something about slavery, we fight each other. We know where to fight each other. Social topics, we fight each other. Education, we fight each other. But some area we are not there, and we are not talking about what is happening there. What is the influence of the areas where we are not on us, because we are living in this society and we are living also in this world. And that were the questions I had in mind. And I say, okay, I can leave it to another to do it because I'm very busy. That's also an excuse, because you have to prioritize. And at that moment I was also pregnant of my son. I don't know why.
Started when you were pregnant.
Yes,
Wow.
I was pregnant in 2021. But I say to myself, I have to do it, because if I'm going to wait till someone else will do this, I don't think it will happen.
Yes.
So I wanted 2 things. I wanted to find the women that are already in tech, in technology, in IT, and to bring them together and to present them, so we can be also a representation for other women. And another thing, I wanted to activate the conversation around technology. We have conversations around slavery, we have conversations about social topics, and I wanted to activate also this conversation around technology, because technologies influence our life. If you look at algorithms, artificial intelligence, black people and people of color are mostly influenced in a negative way. So we have to understand what is going on.
So welcome back from watching these videos. I hope you got inspired. I hope you got encouraged. I hope you feel like, yeah, we have to celebrate women, and we have to actually work towards gender equality in the world, wherever you are. So together, let's celebrate the strength, the courage, the resilience of women who are changing the world, who are shaping the world, who are doing the best they can in every corner in which they are. Whether they are trailblazers, activists, innovators, leaders, entrepreneurs, advocates for inclusion and diversity, healthcare professionals, social media activists, social media influencers, cultural preservers, everyday heroes. Thank you. The work you are doing is amazing, and we appreciate it, and we are grateful that you take your time to do this amazing work for women, for inclusivity, and now to my black self, for black women especially. And so I thank you for the work you are doing. Keep inspiring. Thank you so much for joining me today for this special International Women's Day. Let's take this opportunity to know that every day is a day to celebrate women. Every day is an opportunity for us to uplift and empower women. Let's continue to support each other and work towards a more inclusive and equal world for all of us. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye.